What were you saying? You ready to play with your big Jeep? Hold on. Did you turn yours on already?
Yeah.
All right, let me turn my part on. Hold on. Okay, hold on now. Let's see if you can figure out how to do it. Oh my gosh, you're working it. Oh, you're making it go backwards. Wait, don't run over your nanny. Look at you. You are a pro. Look at you. Ah.
I want it to go road.
You want it to go out on the road?
Yeah.
Well, can you figure that out? You figure it out. Uh-oh, you're stuck. Make it go the other way. Oh my gosh, his lights are on. You put his little lights on. I love it. Wait, let me see. He's got lights. Let's help him out. He's a little stuck. Whoa, there he goes. Hey, Caiden. Caiden. Caiden, look at Nani for a second. Psst, psst. Are you happy? Huh? Hey. Wait, he's going whoop whoop fast.
I'm going to go road.
Oh yeah.
Go road.